By renovating buildings to improve insulation, lower energy use, and sustainably manage indoor climate, we can reduce construction's environmental impact. However, transforming buildings is a complex process, so choose Promat for reliable, compliant, passive fire protection that reduces your liability whilst keeping your project on time and on budget. Often, only the concrete skeleton remains. When a fire protection upgrade is needed, Promat boards can be used to help prevent structural collapse during a fire. Ensuring compartmentation is maintained is essential in a successful fire strategy. Promat offers both design and construction flexibility. We offer a fire protection system that is built from above, ensuring we leave heritage features untouched. Changing a building's use or adding floors increases renovation complexity. For example, converting an office into housing often requires architectural updates to suit the new purpose. Promat solutions address both interior and facade fire safety. Fixed to the wall's inner face, a horizontal open-state cavity barrier keeps ventilated rain screens breathing and draining. A fire compartment remains reliable only if service penetrations are properly sealed. Promat provides a comprehensive, tested range of fire-stopping solutions for any installation challenge. New services can increase fire load, potentially requiring ceilings that protect from fire above and below, one of the toughest fire protection challenges. Promat boards meet these needs with a slim design that maximizes a floor's headroom. PromaStop FCMD is a versatile, easily retrofitted fire collar that can be cut to fit any pipe diameter on site, efficiently protecting pipes up to 125 mm with a single layer. Old buildings often lacked proper ventilation, so when upgrading insulation for energy efficiency, adding a reliable ventilation system is essential for a healthy indoor climate. Promaduct ventilation and smoke extraction systems deliver fresh air and enhance fire safety by quickly removing smoke and blocking heat or smoke spread. For tight spaces, Combi Promaduct needs 50% less space than traditional ducting. Consult our experts early in your renovation to ensure fire-safe design, achieve zero carbon goals, and protect people and assets. Reliable fire protection limits the impact of a fire, avoiding major disruptions and assuring business continuity.